Namaste everyone, my name is Devi Pratyakshaa and today we're going to be talking about balance. Now balance is important for everyone, for school goers, college goers, artists, everyone. So today we are going to be practicing some asanas for better balancing. So let's start. So first up we have Tadasana. So for Tadasana, first we have to stand straight, feet together, interlock our fingers, then inhale and stretch and balance your body on your toes. Stay in the final position for as long as you can. Exhale. Let's do this one more time. Inhale. Exhale. Now let's move on to the next asana. So now we'll be doing Dhruvasana, also known as Vrikshasana and Ekpadasana. For Dhruvasana, first you have to keep your legs like this and then hold your arms above your head. Relax. Let's do this one more time. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do this from the other leg. Inhale. Exhale and relax. You can do Dhruvasana and Tadasana 3 to 5 times a day, and relaxation is important after every asana. Now we will be doing Garudasana, which is translated as eagle. So let's start. First, you have to wrap your right leg on your left leg and right hand on your left hand, like this. Relax. Now we have to do the opposite, which is left leg on the right leg and left hand on the right hand, like this. Normal breathing and relax. Did you notice that even I lost my balance? So that's why these practices are important to enhance our balancing. This can be practiced 3 to 4 times both sides. Now we will be doing Utkatasana. For Utkatasana, we have to spread our legs to our shoulder width and then place our hands on our thighs. Now we have to raise our hands, inhale and raise our hands to our shoulders height, and then at the same time we have to raise our heels and balance on our toes. Now exhale and squat down, but do not place your heels on the floor like this. Now it seems like I am sitting on a chair, but I am not sitting on a chair. Now stand up. Don't place your heels on the floor yet. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Let's do this one more time. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, and relax. This can be done 3 to 5 times a day. Bye, see you next time. Namaste.